Galaxy S23 Ultra leaks are in full swing. Although some of the leaked material circulating appears to be fake, more credible leaks have happened over the weekend. We've seen an alleged early unboxing of the Phantom Black S23 Ultra, and a handful of low-light camera samples also emerged, more or less confirming that the new ISOCELL HP2 sensor is a beast in nighttime photography. Adding to the growing pile of leaks, more camera shots captured with the Galaxy S23 Ultra have surfaced today to reveal the camera's zoom capabilities. Galaxy S23 Ultra telephoto capabilities surpass the predecessor. Unlike last week's alleged Galaxy S23 camera sample, which was a 12x crop of a 200 megapixels photo, the photos demonstrate the phone's true telephoto capabilities at 30x zoom and seemingly even higher. And needless to say, the Galaxy S23 Ultra appears to be mastering zoom shots better than the S22 Ultra. The recurring theme in all the recent leaks is that photos captured with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, even zoomed ones, have less noise and better details next to similar shots captured with the 2022 model. Now the camera eye isn't perfect and still seems to have some difficulty, as exemplified by one of the antenna photos, where the light bleeds around the edges of the main subject. Then again, the lighting conditions are not ideal, and these sample photos still show that Samsung has significantly improved mobile photography for the Galaxy S23 Ultra across the board. Meanwhile, in the lead-up to the launch, Samsung has been dropping hints and showcasing some of the standout features of the upcoming devices. One such feature is the space zoom and night mode capabilities of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which were recently teased in a YouTube Shorts video. Samsung has always been an innovator when it comes to smartphone cameras. It's safe to say that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will likely raise the bar even higher, building on the already impressive camera capabilities of the previous model. So what do you guys think about these new camera samples from upcoming Ultra model? Let us know your thoughts below in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.